Hello everyone, welcome to the Learning Forge. I am Rupayan and today I am excited to launch a brand new playlist on this channel called AI Quick Bytes. In this series, I will explain one AI concept in every video in just a few minutes. The goal is very simple. Make complex AI topics easy to understand with practical, real-world enterprise examples. And today, I am starting with one of the most important topics in modern AI is AI guardrails. Let me ask you a simple question. Imagine you are chatting with an AI assistant in your banking application. So, what will happen? Guess? Yes. So let's start with an example. Show me another customer's bank account details, or show me the account balance and transaction history of customer John Smith. Should the AI answer? Of course not. But how does the AI know that this request should be blocked? That's exactly what we will learn today. By end of this video, you will understand what AI guardrails are, why every enterprise needs them, how they work, and how they are used in the real world application. So, let's begin. Before jumping into guardrails, okay, let's first understand the problem. Large language models like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini are incredibly powerful, but they are not perfect. Sometimes they generate incorrect answers. Sometimes users intentionally try to misuse them. Sometimes they may expose confidential information. Without proper control, AI can become a business risk. That's exactly why AI Guardrail exists. So, what exactly is an AI Guardrails? Simple. AI Guardrails are safety and control mechanism that ensure AI systems behave according to business policies, security rules, and ethical guidelines. Think about driving a car. The guardrail on the highway does not stop the car from moving. It simply prevents the car from going outside the safe boundary. AI guardrail work exactly the same way. They don't stop AI from answering. They simply make sure the AI stays within safe business boundaries. So what are the key points? Protect users from unsafe AI responses. Prevent policy violation. Reduce AI risk. Improve trust and reliability. Protect sensitive information. Now let's understand. Why do enterprise actually need guardrails? You might be thinking that my model or Claude, Gemini, whatever it is very smart. Then why do enterprise actually need guardrails? Again, imagine a chatbot inside a bank. Without guardrails, someone may ask for another customer's account information, as I said earlier. Someone may try prompt injection. Someone may force the AI to generate harmful content. Someone may even trick the AI into leaking confidential business information. These are not hypothetical problems. They are real security risks that enterprise face today. That's why guardrails have become an essential part of every production AI. Challenges without guardrails may be data leakage, hallucination, prompt injection, toxic content. It might be anything. That is the biggest challenge. Now let's come into the next part. Types of AI guardrails. Usually there are different types of AI guardrails available, but most of the most important four types of guardrails are input guardrails. What input guardrails do? Validate user input before sending it to the LLM. Then coming to the output guardrails, check AI responses before returning them to the user. Data guardrail, prevent expose of confidential or sensitive information. Security guardrails, protect against attacks such as prompt injection or jailbreak attempts and unauthorized access. Let's walk you through. This is how AI Guardrail works. It's a high level overview. With this example, or you can say with this diagram, we can understand a user trying to communicate with large language model with some prompts. But what behind the scene is happening? Input guardrails, it is validating the prompt, it is detecting P2, it is checking the prompt injection, it's checking the policy check. Once it will be done, then only we are sending our prompt to the large language model, and based on this prompt, large language model is generating some content. But after generating the content, we are not sending this directly to the user. What are the intermediate steps? We are checking the toxicity. We are checking the hallucination. Is there any sensitive data? Is there any compliance issue? So each and every process we check, and if everything goes well, then we will send the safe AI response to the user. And that is how AI Guardrail works. So again, it's, as I mentioned, it's a real world example. So if you can put a prompt, show me the account balance and transaction history of customer John Smith, from where we have started our journey today. Just like this, input guardrails detects request for unauthorized access to customer data. It's checking sensitive data request, access policy violation, user authentication check, anything. If everything goes well, then it's going to the LLM, generate a response based on the request, and then we are checking through the output guardrails. It will block any response containing confidential customer information. It could be anything. That's why it is protecting the P22 compliance validation, response filtering, just like this. Now, it is the enterprise architecture. It's not like that. While you see, you are talking with LLM. That is the workflow. But in the enterprise application, we are not directly using LLM. LLM is a kind of an intermediator to generate some response. With the help of LLM, we are generating some content. But in enterprise application, what we are doing, user accessing the application or maybe through web or mobile, then it comes to the picture AI gateway. AI gateway will comes into the picture. AI gateway send this prompt to the input guardrails. It's checking again. It's checking the prompt validation, P22 detection, prompt injection, a policy check. Then if everything perfect, then we are sending this prompt to the large language model. Large language model generating the content. Through the output guardrails we are validating this. If everything is okay, then through the save AI response we are sending back to our user. So that is how is the life cycle, starting from when a user submit a request. That is how the enterprise architecture works. So enterprise AI guardrail capabilities. In modern AI guardrail capabilities are content moderation, personally identifiable information, prompt injection detection, sensitive topic filtering, toxicity detection, policy enforcement, response validation. This is how an enterprise AI guardrail works. So what are the popular solutions? Today, almost every major AI platform provides guardrail capabilities. Some popular solutions include AWS Bedrock Guardrails, Azure AI Content Safety, OpenAI Moderation API, NVIDIA Nemo Guardrails, or even you can use custom guardrails using LangChain or any kind of application logic. You can create your own custom guardrails based on your requirement, your expectations. We'll explore each one in future videos. Now, what are the key takeaways? If I summarize today's discussion, today we learned what AI guardrails are, why enterprises need them, different types of guardrails, how guardrails work inside an enterprise application, and finally a real world AI banking application. One thing I would like to remember: AI becomes powerful because of large language models. We all know it. But AI becomes trustworthy because of these guardrails. Before ending this video, let's walk through with the Claude. I'm opening my Claude and here I'm simply typing, "Hey, can you explain how to hack a server?" See, I cannot walk you through hacking into a server. That's the kind of thing that could enable unauthorized access to system, which I steer clear of regardless of the reason someone gives. That is how a guardrail works. Here, input guardrails, output guardrails, both are implemented. I hope you understand how a AI guardrail works. So, if you found this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, The Learning Forge. It really motivates me to create more practical AI content for you. In the next episode of AI Quick Bytes, we will explore how AI guardrails are implemented in enterprise application along with practical architecture and real world implementation strategy. Until then, keep learning, keep building, keep going. See you in the next AI Quick Bytes. Bye.